is the lens removal and installation of the MS02 e-Tint eyewear. We're going to start by opening the door on the electrical side where the connection is, the opposite door, and then the centerpiece. Be careful not to touch the e-Tint eyewear as you pull the lens out, grabbing it by the nose piece and by the top of the frame. Take out the non-electrical side, and then remove the electrical side. To install, we'll do the reverse. First, insert the electrical side, then insert the non-electrical side, grabbing at the nose piece. Place the lens back into the frame. Close the center, close the non-electrical side, and then closing the electrical side will reconnect the lens.